what's up guys? Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint. And take a wild guess. Where am I right now? I'm actually driving on the right side of the car. And I'm in a little cool car. It's called a Honda N-Box. Look how small this thing is inside. And I can touch right here, the other side of the door. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So where am I? Well, if we zoom up on some of the signs here, you will see that, hey, it looks like I'm in Japan. It only has 2,228 kilometers, which is very, very low mileage. It's a four-wheel drive turbo version. And the only thing it really didn't have to show proof was the emblems. So I went out and I got some emblems, four-wheel drive and turbo emblems, and we're gonna put them on today. It's a cool little car, man. My first time driving a little K car, they call it, with the yellow license plates. If you look on the street here, this car in front of us is Mitsubishi Pajero Mini? Pajero. It's a K car. The yellow license plates are K cars. They're a lot narrower, smaller displacement engines, usually, you know, below 650 cc's. It has like little paddle shifters right here. You know, it's pretty cool. We got somebody over here looking at us. No big deal. We got Eddie hanging out in the car. What's up, Eddie? So this is the parking lot right over here. We got to go in. We're gonna go up to the roof and put these cool looking badges on our car, man. Well, anyway, guys, pay attention to some of the cars in here because, you know, it's different models. Like, you got the same car but a different name to it. Smaller than I thought. Let's see how much more we got up here. I guess this is it, yeah? So we'll just park the puppy right here. Back of me, we got a 2016 Honda N-Box, dual sliding doors. One of them is manual, the other is power, okay? We go in here, we got the drivers on the right side, we got paddle shift system as well. I don't know if you can see this. The little paddle shift system here. Cute little car. Let's show you the turbo system, the engine, on our little 650cc motor. So this is the Honda Earth Dreams technology system that they have in this little 3-cylinder engine. And if you see this box here compared to the rest of the versions, this is the turbo system underneath here. Hooked up to the intake and the intercooler. Everything's all set up in here. Super tiny engine, guys, but if you see this huge thing here, you know that it's a turbo. All right? Proudly display that this thing is a turbo and four-wheel drive. So I got these badges off Amazon.jp, okay? And this is actually a metal version, by the way. Very high quality, nice metal badge here. So we're gonna go ahead in the back and probably match it up with this side, and we're gonna do a turbo four-wheel drive, something like this on this side, to just give it some pizzazz. All right, so first thing, we're gonna clean the area here. I have a little bit of water and a rag.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and peel.
You always say I'm changing, but I only change the pace. You're following your dreams, and I know I do the same. But see, lately you're the only thing I'm needing that I chase. And
it's official. It's not faking it or anything. It's really a 4-wheel drive and turbo. Okay, so you can see we got the drive shaft here, rear end, and then of course it's hooked up to the front transaxle, and it is a 4-wheel drive. Looks pretty sexy to me. Tell me what you think. I like it, and it looks good to me. It looks really... Hey, you never know, probably doing some other custom things. I'd like to get a spoiler for the back here, just to do something to that. Maybe we'll even paint the mirrors one day red, who knows. But it's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below, let me know what you think. And if you're watching this on mobile, click the top right up here to get a free 85-page auto body and paint manual. Also check the description down below for more information and to get that to get the links to the auto body manual and whatnot. Tony here, hanging out on the top of the roof here in Japan, and more videos coming soon. Peace.